Hello, in this session I'll be showing you how to construct this sketch using AutoCAD 2024 version, where I am going to start with the central vertical line followed by an offset distance of 46, two lines. So before drawing any entity, that could be a circle or a line, try to plan the axis line. For example, this sketch is having an overall height of, here if you could see, roughly 60 plus 60 120, followed by a radius of 18 on either sides. Okay, so it is going around 160 mm, so I'll take a line of 200. So I'll go with the axis line. Now Z, enter, A, enter. I'm fitting it to the screen. Let me take a line by keeping ortho on. I'll drop a vertical of 200 mm. Now this 200 mm, I'll try to, by keeping effect off, I'll bring it somewhere here. Now this is axis line. Now once you fix the axis line, the upcoming sketches, whatever you are going to draw, will fit to the screen appropriately. So means here, if you look at, I am going to start with a central circle of diameter. Here you could see 80 mm followed by 46. There are two diameters given, one is 46, one is 80, and there is one periphery upon which there is array is placed, six circles of diameter. Here it is given 6 holes of 10 dia, so that has to be placed. Now on which circle it is going to place means, here you could see 62 diameter. Okay, firstly I'll try to draw that 62 diameter. For that we directly have center diameter. I'll start somewhere on the line 62, enter. This is a circle. Okay, now that will be bounded with that dimensions. Now upon that 62 there is one circle of diameter 10. So I'll go with the circle again at this point, 10 diameter, one circle, followed by, I'll try to use array ARR. This is the array. So this is object, enter, polar with respect to the center. So take the cursor onto the circumference, it will show you the center. 6 are okay, done. This part is completed. Let me draw a horizontal line exactly passing through the center. This is the horizontal line by keeping ortho on some infinite distance. Let me change the colors of these two lines to a center line which is not available. Go to others, load the center line, done. Okay, now select these two, keep it as a center line, followed by change the color. This is how it is going to look like, followed by internally there is one more radius of 46. So I'll take diameter of 46, that is there. Again one more diameter of 80 is there. So I'll repeat the task of circle command, 80, enter. This is how it looks like. Now at an offset distance of 46 there is one more vertical. Let me use an option called offset, enter, through, enter. This line at a distance of offset, enter. I keep it in through this line at a distance of 46. Okay, there I need to draw one more circle of diameter internal 16 and external 15, radius. Internal 16 diameter is 16 at this point, diameter is 16, and a radius of one more with a radius of 15. These are the two. After drawing these two, now these two, here at this point we need to create a fillet of radius is not visible properly. Let me take it as some 3 and try. Fillet between this line, a radius of 3 and this line. This is how it is going to look like. Again I'll repeat, enter this one, radius of 3 and this one. Unwanted things let me remove. These are the things which are not required. This is how the shape look like. Now again cross verify with the existing sketch. Yes, we are done with this part. Now I need to drop 2 more circles above and below with a radius of 22 diameter, 2 holes of 22 diameter with an offset distance of 60 above, 60 below. For that again I'll use a command called offset. O enter, through enter, this one at a distance of 60. This is also bottom one at a distance of 60. Now wherever those two lines intersect, EX double enter, this is not intersected, that is the reason I am taking extension, and 2 holes of diameter 22. So let me take a circle of diameter 22 and one more circle here of diameter 22. These are the 2 circles. Okay, there is one external circle also. Externally there is one more circle which is of 18 radius. So center radius I'll take as my option, 18. Yes. And one more is also 18. Done. So in between there is a line passing through. Here there is a curve of radius. Here you could see this number 100 radius is given, which is a bit clumsy. I'll just try to zoom it out to have a look. This is a 100 radius and a straight line is passing through, dimension line is passing through. So that I need to draw, but that curve should pass tangentially with respect to this 18 radius. For that what I'll try to do, I'll go with circle. Here you have an option called tan radius. So this is one tangent, this is one more with a radius of 100. Okay, maybe the selection is wrong. So for that I'll repeat the task. This time I'll go with the bottom circle first, then the top circle with a radius of 100. Still there is again I'll repeat, have a look, tangent, tangent with 100 radius. Yes. Okay, the selection is more important. Initially what I did is the selection, here it is showing tangent. So below the line I took the tangent point, which is maybe the wrong selection. So this is how it is going to be. Then unwanted things let me remove. These things are not required, so I am deleting them all. Again go back to the sketch. Here there is a fillet between those two. So trim, here also I need to trim. This is unwanted. Nothing. Yes, correct. Now for the fillet, what is the fillet radius? 8 is given. I'll take fillet option between this line, the radius of 8, enter this. Similarly, so one side I created, but this is got just because of connectivity problem it got removed. So what I do, simply I'll delete this part, then I mirror 1, 2, these are the features I need to mirror. These are the 3 need to be mirrored with respect to horizontal line. No to the existing. This is how the sketch look like, followed by unwanted things. The radius 18 here, this part is not required. These are the few things which I need to delete. These things are not required. Now this is how the complete sketch look like. Z enter, A enter to fit it to the screen. I'll select the complete object, M, enter. I'll move this near the axis, Z, enter, enter. Okay, this is how it is going to look like. Now if you want, you can improvise by changing the color or by changing the thicknesses. Let me change the thickness which I have shown you in my previous lectures also. Again I'll repeat, try to make a habit of doing all these practices so that it will be helpful. Okay, but axis should never be increased. The thickness of axis should never be increased. That I just try to delete for now. Okay, to change the color again, simply select the complete sketch, followed by go to colors, change it to the required color, whatever the color like that you can place. Similarly, the colors of this thing can also be changed. Alright. Now this all will changing colors, line thicknesses, line types. Okay, and all these things will help you out in layers. When we discuss about the layers, you'll easily understand. That is all for the session. Any questions you can comment in the box below. Thank you.